Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Here in Meghalaya, we can eat snake, rat, scorpion. It is your choice.
Ka Jingkren jong MLA ka South Shillong constituency oba Sanbor Shulai, halor ka Jingpersha jong uye ka Jingkhang banbam ya ka dok masi, kala long banban kum ka Jingrwai ba shongshit menta. Ya kini kikentian halor ka Jingpersha ya ka Jingkhang banbam ya ka dok masi ka kala long kum ka Jingrwai, oba Sanbor ulakren ha ka sngi thok dieng ka hendru tari unok pra arja arpasau, ha ka Jingkren bat kilat pathai kubor, hadian ba Menteri rang ba ka Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma, haringkat ke kunhun Menteri jong Kylla rai ban khang ya ki pat ba ke Jela Assam ban bam dok masi hagi jaka bam ni ki jaka pat ba hakati ke Jingkren uba Sanbor ulaong habadan hapo ke Jela Meghalaya ka syong hakamon jong ki pat ba ban bam ya kanu ka baki kwa laki kwa ban bam yu ubsen ki nyang lar tham ne uksau dak ba ulaya thu badang hagi khandiat banai baladap ru udang syudap ban bam ya ka dok sau kabala syat da upar lok jong kumta kamlong ke babha ban khang ban bam dok masi namar ka syong hakamon ki pat ba ban bam bad omla ban khang yaki da kabor ban ombam ya ke ke baki bang uba Sanbor Shulai ulaong bakani ka rai jong ka Assam kamdei ban tre kam hapo ke Jela Meghalaya bad ma uhi shimet un persha halur kani ka rai ke bala shim da ka kunhun menteri ka Assam.
And the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all about the world. You will see in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef?
But mothers,
I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meal. I eat nicely with my wife. So what? Here in Meghalaya, we can eat snake, rat, scorpion. It is your choice. We can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. We can eat snake. We can eat rat. So here is BJP Sanbor. I prepared already to eat scorpion 1 power, eat insect 1 power. I used to eat dog when I'm young. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat whatever. Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything, don't relax. Eat everything. Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything, don't relax. Eat everything. It is your choice.